Hello there and welcome to today's video. I'm just at Nick Factory and this is Fazhcon V.3. This behind me here was a former tobacco warehouse and it's been converted into a creative space. So tonight there's going to be lots of stuff for sale, lots of retro gear for sale. They've got live music on. So interested to see because I've not actually been inside here before. Beautiful what they've done with the lighting here though guys, how nice is this? So it started at 5 o'clock and we're here about 6:30, so you can see the crowd's picking up quite a lot now. I'm really excited to check this one out. I love what they've done with the building, it looks amazing. If you are coming to an event in the future guys, you can just get your ticket here. This was 200 and they give you a wristband here. You can just head to the counter over there and get your ticket there. Nowhere does events like Bangkok. Look at the setup here, it looks great already. Wow. Beautiful time of day when the lighting's like this as well. Inside this part of the warehouse there's tons of gloves, shoes, vinyls, brilliant. If you're a bit of a collector, it's ideal this place. Filling up a bit now, getting a bit busier, looking good. I must have been impressed with this event space. I like what they've done with it. You've got a few makeshift bars at the back here. Just behind me that's a cocktail bar there. And it's really cool because you've just got Asia Teak in the distance. So you can just see over there the wheel. Okay, Cap. Cheers, guys. There's a lot more here than I thought, actually. I thought it was mainly going to be just a warehouse, but they've got a lot of stores here for food and a few different bars as well. Great event. There's some really, really cool gear here, actually. But we were just saying, you know, because of the heat in Thailand, personally, I could never wear something like that because it's just so hot. But yeah, really nice. They've got such a good selection of vintage gear here. Look how dapper this looks. I don't know, I might wear that. If I wasn't so hot. It's like a smoking jacket, isn't it? They've even got the football shirts here, guys. Just can't stop buying the retro shirts. They've no lead shirts, so I've just left in outrage. How can you have any lead shirts? So there's another warehouse down the bottom, and this is really cool. Like they're printing t-shirts here. Wow, this is brilliant. Take a look guys, it goes all the way back there as well, this one. Absolutely massive. It's got so big and I've got so distracted I've lost my wife and my friends. Let's go find those. Just to give you an idea, when I see it, I just seen a Sex Pistols t-shirt. So just to give you an idea of some of the prices here, you've got the Sex Pistols, very cool, Anarchy in the UK. That one's 3,890. Absolute classic Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band. This one is, let me take a look there, 2,590 that one. Michael Jackson. That one's 3,290. So I would say the prices are slightly on the high side for a lot of the gear, but there is a massive amount of variety. And if you are a bit of a collector, it's ideal because there's so many stalls. You've got a lot of the stuff displayed like this, but then you've also got these big piles here. It's brilliant, you can shift through here, big piles over this side too, so there's tons and tons of gear. Oh yeah, might be on the cards that one. I'm thinking this part of the back guys is the place to be. Absolute chaos. It's filling up now guys, it's about just gone past 7:15 and yeah, it's really crowded inside. It's much more busy than I'd expect actually. You can see for yourself a lot of the stalls outside here. And they've also got some permanent fixtures, like for example this coffee shop over here. This is a permanent fixture here. So like I say, I haven't really been down here, so I don't know what it's like when there's no events. They've got this nice little craft set up here, but it seems like it's not working, unfortunately. Minded that. So I think it's going to be another singer, I reckon. I must say, even the toilets over there are looking pretty cool at this place. Brilliant. And what I like, if you watched some of my videos recently, what they're doing is they're repurposing a lot of these old spaces. The other week I went to Kuala Lumpur and I went to the Danshaw Style there, and that was brilliant. And what they're doing the same with this place, they've repurposed it like from an old tobacco warehouse, and they've turned it into like a creative space. So what's really great about Bangkok is they are bringing these spaces to life, you know, and instead of it just laying dormant for years, they've kind of repurposed it. So I'll just show you a bit of the food actually, because I imagine the setup for most of the events is going to be pretty similar actually. Each time I'm sure with the food and everything. Now at this event they've also got some things like some fashion shows, but I'll be honest with you, it's not really my thing, but if it's yours, worth checking out. Have a look at the events for Nick Factory guys. Apparently, speaking to a few people, they've got a lot of stuff going on down here. So this is the first time I've been and I've really not heard of much, but then again, I'm not exactly in with the fashion industry. So if you are, it's probably worth looking on the events, this one, because yeah, it's a big popular event, massive crowd, very cool venue. Right, so that was Fazhcon. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go grab something to eat, because there was quite a lot of food there, but the seating area was really busy and a bit congested, so we thought, nah, we won't bother grabbing anything to eat there, especially when we're on Charon Krung Road, because this has got so many good restaurants. So let's go. So I thought I'd try out this new beer. I mean, I don't know what it is, but I'm sure it's going to be nice. Cheers, guys. Okay, so I didn't end up including the restaurant in the video because honestly it was okay, but nothing special. You can find that type of food almost anywhere in Thailand. I don't really want to recommend you places that are just okay. What I do want to mention is walking across Taksim Bridge in the evening for me is one of my favourite places to come at night. Usually pretty quiet too, and watching the boats pass underneath is absolutely amazing. Even after 3 years of living here, I never get tired of it. So thank you for watching guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great week.